Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can watch movies on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see guys right here, you're gonna find all of the games that you have, and right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. So if you click on it right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games that you have. So right now, I'm gonna go back, and right here, if you go to the top, you're gonna find two sections, games and media. So if you want to watch movies, just go ahead and click on media, and then you're gonna be right here. So as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find some apps for media like YouTube, Twitch, Spotify, and also Netflix. You can use Netflix to watch movies. If you want to see some other platforms, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on all apps. And then right here, you're gonna find all of the available media applications. So right here for movies, you're gonna find Disney Plus, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, and Max. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a lot of applications that you can use to watch different types of media. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find Spotify, Apple Music, Apple TV, Crunchyroll, Disney Plus, Max, NBA, and a lot of applications. You're gonna also find Twitch and YouTube. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.